Hello, I'm Karen Miller, Physical Therapist Assistant, and I'm going to talk to you about Morton's neuroma. Morton's neuroma is a painful condition affecting the ball of the foot between the third and fourth toe. It may feel as if you have a pebble in your shoe or your sock is folded. Some of the causes of Morton's neuroma are narrow shoes and high-impact sports. I'm going to talk to you about some treatment strategies to help prevent Morton's neuroma and to help ease the pain. One of the ways to help manage the pain of Morton's neuroma is with a rollerball. Place the rollerball directly under the third and fourth toe, hold on to the handles, and roll your foot over the ball 10 to 15 times in one direction and then reverse direction. You can do this according to tolerance. I would suggest doing this exercise 2 to 3 times a day. Another way to manage foot pain with Morton's neuroma is by using a silicone metatarsal pad. These pads can be placed directly in the shoe, and they should fall directly where the ball of the foot hits the shoe. One of the ways to help manage the pain of Morton's neuroma is with a toe separator. The toe separators can be applied at night, and you can wear them as long as you can tolerate. To place the toe separators on, you want to gently place your toes in between the separators through the holes and push it firmly down to the base of each toe. This provides a stretch to the tissue around the toes and should provide some comfort. Another way to manage the pain of Morton's neuroma is with a metatarsal toe pad. The toe pad can be worn during the day with any footwear. Place the pad around the second toe. The pad should fall right at the base of the toes and provide comfort when standing. Daily management of Morton's neuroma pain can be eased by applying a felt arch pad either to the bottom of the foot or inside the shoes. There's an adhesive backing. You want to peel that away, place it on your foot at the base of the third and fourth toe, or you can peel the adhesive backing and place it directly in your shoe. To help manage the pain of Morton's neuroma, we recommend rest and ice. An ice pack can be applied to the underside of the foot, fastened, and you can do this 20 minutes 2 times a day. Another way to manage the pain of Morton's neuroma is by using an insole. An insole is placed in your shoe to provide support to the arch and padding to the metatarsals. If this feels too tight, please take out the manufacturer's insole and just use the additional insole. For anyone managing Morton's neuroma pain and wearing high heels, we have a specialized high heel insole with a silicone backing and adhesive to stick to the shoe. It provides comfort to the metatarsals when standing, and you can still wear your work shoes. Massage is a great way to help relieve the pain of Morton's neuroma. Using your thumbs on the underside and ball of the foot, place your fingers right at the base of the third and fourth toe, and with gentle to firm pressure, do a circular motion around the toes, around the ball of the foot. You can also twist the upper part of the foot to provide some pain relief and mobility. You can do this 2 to 3 times a day as tolerated. An exercise you can do to help manage the pain and symptoms of Morton's neuroma is a towel scrunch. Place a towel on a floor and curl your toes to bunch up the towel underneath your toes. You can repeat this 10 to 15 times, 2 to 3 times a day. An exercise to help manage the pain of Morton's neuroma is toe flexion and extension. Extend your foot, curl your toes and hold for 5 seconds. And then extend your toes up for 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. You can do this exercise 2 to 3 times a day. Thank you for watching. We hope you have enjoyed the information we've shared about managing the pain and symptoms of Morton's neuroma. Remember, if the pain persists, please consult your physician.